I'm born in Guyana, and my parents are born in Guyana. I came here when I was 9 years old, and my grandfather's Barbadian. So, yeah, we left Guyana when they had a lot of trouble, and we migrated here. And I went to school here from 9 years old. Preparing for the Yacht Club Craft Fair. I haven't done any craft for a long time, so it's been over 12 years, and I had loads of these wraps made up. So as you can see, I did a lot of stenciling, and I'm painting with bleach. These are all paintings from the last 10 years that I've painted. So it's just parts of Guyana. These are different techniques using the acrylic art flow and using different mediums. Stenciling was my main illustration style, so I did all that on the wall as well.
You studied in St. Martin?
St. Martin's School of Art and Design in London. And I studied graphic design and specialized in illustration.